Hi, this is Mrs. Young. Today we're going to be talking about some of the options that you have for creating your video. First thing we're going to do is get to the Avon High School page. We're actually going to end up going to the library page, and I know you guys know how to get there, but I like to show you from the beginning. So we're going to click on Media Center in the gold bar in the middle. And then we click on this blue click here for the Avon High School Library website. All right, once we are here, when we scroll down, we're going to go to English. And I know Mrs. Langford has you working on a really cool film project, so we're going to click on where it says Film Project. And this is for multiple different classes for film projects, but I want to show you a couple of really important things. First of all, we have copyright-free images and music that are here. Whatever you're making, you're probably in some way going to put live. So you might be doing it through an online version. You might be uploading it to YouTube. There could be a lot of different ways that you share your video. So whatever we use needs to be copyright free because other people are going to be able to see that. And so when I click here, you can see that I have a lot of different things that make things copyright free. So I've got images that I could use that could be important for you. And at the end of your video, you'll just give credit to free images or good free photos or Pixabay or whatever. Music, I have some different music archives that are royalty free, copyright free. And then I've also got some sound effects too that could be kind of cool to put into your video. Some of these sites may be blocked at school. But you should be able to access them from home just so you have that information and I can't get them opened up for you. Also, I've got, if you prefer a standard Google search, here is some information. So you can go ahead and do an image search, and then when you click on Tools and then Usage Rights, you check where it says labeled for non-commercial reuse. That lets you to use this for school, and then it'll tell you the sites and the images that can be used freely. Each of those will need to be cited if you use those. That's why I kind of like to use this list, and then I can just do one blanket, hey, images from Pixabay, and it makes it a little more interesting, or makes it less cumbersome for you. Okay, so that's one of the things that you can use for the film project, the copyright-free images. Sometimes it might be nice to kind of lay out, make a plan for what you're going to do. So that's what these storyboard templates are for. I really like this one that's just the storyboard template that kind of lets you draw out things. And then I've got some links to places where you can video edit online. So Adobe Spark is a really good one that's nice and easy to use. Movie Maker Online, WeVideo, all of those are just real nice, easy things to use. Also, you can download some free apps. So if you're using your phone to create your video, you can use this Power Director app. There are not links to those. You'll just have to go to your store, your Apple Store, your Google Play Store to be able to download that information. Okay, and I want to show you one more thing, and I know that the words are off a little bit when I go full screen, so just bear with me on this. Some of you might not have a phone that has enough space, or you might not have enough data, so I do have these handy little cameras that work really well. They're little flip video cameras, and what you do is you do your recording, so it's just got a standard screen right here. Always hold the camera this way, not this way. This way I'll turn it sideways and you won't be able to fix it. So turn it this way. And then when you get done, there's a little thing that pops out here that goes into your USB port. With that USB port, you will just be able to copy. It works just like a USB drive then. So copy the files from the camera, put them on your computer, and then you can do any editing that you need to do. So those are the tools that you're going to be using for your project for Mrs. Langford's class. If you have any questions, I love to do digital editing. I think it's awesome and fun, and I'm happy to help you with whatever you need. Thanks for your time.